Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So you guys, today's video is brought to you guys by Faba Wigs. So right now I'm just showing you guys everything that comes along with this unit. You do get eyelashes as well as a wig cap, a band to be able to lay your lace, as well as your unit, you guys. Y'all, let me just say, when I first took this hair out of packaging, baby, look at it, y'all. So soft, bouncy, and it definitely has luster and shine already, y'all. Body comes with baby hairs, you guys. It looks so good. So with that being said, the unit that I will be doing a review on for you guys today is the brown body wave 13x4 HD lace front wig, you guys. It is 180% density, 22 inches long as well. You do get 4 clips as well as an adjustable band and an elastic band as well. So with that being said, you guys, I'm just going ahead and adjusting my elastic band so that way it can fit my head comfortably. It does come with baby hairs as well, and I did not utilize my baby hairs. I did put sideburns, but that was it, and that is all that I actually wanted to put out. So for the most part, I'm just going in with my hot comb as always and my wax stick just to make my middle part more defined and flat as well. So yeah, that's basically what I did. And I did go in with a little bit of concealer for my middle part as well.
talk about. I know you wanna talk about. pull up, roll the window, shining. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window.
I don't wanna tell you I'm dropping, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Maybe you can give us something. Maybe if you had the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. Need you right in my space. Need it, baby, I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. No, I wouldn't wanna bleed.
So right now I just decided to go in with a little bit of my foundation just to get the lace a little bit more to my liking. So right now I'm just going in with my razor and I'm just cutting away the extra lace on this wig. And I did go above the baby hairs as well. And I left just a little bit to make it look a little bit more realistic. But that is it. That is all. this is my first time actually using the bold hole glue, y'all, and I think I like this one way more than I like the Ghost Spot glue. So I'm definitely gonna re-up and get maybe 2 more of these just to have a little stash or whatever. But yes, I love this glue, and I think it worked really well for this install. So you guys will be seeing it a lot more. For the hair, y'all, it's so soft. I love the texture. I love the density. It's not too full, but it's full enough, y'all. And I did not have to do much to it. Just went in, flirt on it just to make it straight, and that was about it. So for the most part, like I said, I love the hair. And I'm just letting my glue dry now, and I did go in with 3 layers. I'm not sure if I told you guys that already, but yes, 3 layers. So just to give my hair an extra bit of melt, even though I didn't need it, y'all, I did go in with my Mega Freeze spray, and I did apply my band right back to my hair, you guys, even though I didn't need it, but I felt like this step was definitely necessary. Okay, so yeah, I just added a little bit more of powder, and then that was it. So now I'm just going in with a little bit of my heat protectant for my hair, and I'm just rubbing it through every bit of my hair so I can go in with my front on, and that's about it, you guys. So I'll let y'all go ahead and finish watching the rest of the video, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts at the end, you guys. So I am so in love with how my hair came out. Super silky and soft, y'all. I honestly did not get any shedding. I did not get any tangling with this hair, y'all. Even after me going in and cutting the lace, I did not get any type of shedding, y'all. So I think that was a plus. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am definitely going to leave all of Faba Wigs information in my description box below, so that way you guys can be sure to check them out and shop with them as well. You guys go get you a bomb unit, because this color right here is definitely eating it up, okay? yes, it's definitely eating and I love it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video.